The heart is a powerful muscular organ located in the chest. It consists of 4 chambers: the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. These chambers are separated by valves that ensure blood flows in the correct direction. Let's follow the journey of blood through the heart. First, deoxygenated blood from the body returns to the heart through 2 large veins, the superior vena cava from the upper body and the inferior vena cava from the lower body. This blood enters the right atrium. The right atrium contracts, pushing blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. When the right ventricle contracts, it sends the blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, where it picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Now oxygen-rich, the blood returns to the heart via the pulmonary veins, entering the left atrium. The left atrium contracts, pushing blood through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle, the heart's most powerful chamber, contracts, sending the blood through the aortic valve into the aorta. The aorta distributes the oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body through a vast network of arteries, ensuring that every cell gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. The heart's pumping action occurs in a rhythmic cycle known as the cardiac cycle, which consists of 2 main phases, diastole and systole. During diastole, both the atria and ventricles relax, allowing blood to flow into the heart. Then, during systole, the atria contract first, followed by the ventricles, effectively pumping blood out to the lungs and the rest of the body. But how does the heart maintain this rhythmic beat? It's all thanks to the heart's electrical conduction system. The sinoatrial SA node, located in the right atrium, acts as the natural pacemaker, initiating electrical impulses that cause the atria to contract. These impulses then travel to the atrioventricular AV node, which delays them slightly to ensure the atria are empty completely before the ventricles contract. The impulses then move through the bundle of His and Purkinje fibers, causing the ventricles to contract. This intricate system ensures that the heart pumps blood efficiently and effectively, maintaining the circulation necessary for life. And there you have it. The heart's incredible journey of pumping blood throughout the body. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content.